पहले हम रुक करेंगे कराची का, जहां पर वजीरा'ली सिंध मुराद अली शाह इस वक्त तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Openness and shared humanity. I would like to begin by acknowledging the exceptional dedication and vision demonstrated by the Foreign Affairs Liaison Office Karachi. When riots erupted in Bishkek and our students required safe repatriation, it was Karachi Liaison Office that coordinated their secure return with unwavering commitment. Similarly, after the tragic bus accident involving our pilgrims in Iran, the same office acted swiftly, facilitating every possible measure of assistance. Beyond such critical moments, Foreign Affairs Liaison Office Karachi continues to strengthen our engagement with diplomats, foreign delegations and international partners, opening new avenues for collaboration in trade, investment, education, culture and humanitarian endeavors. The Foreign Office serves as a first line of defense abroad, projecting Pakistan's image, safeguarding our interests and building bridges of understanding. This province of Sindh has always been at the heart of this story. From Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, who as Foreign Minister laid the foundations of modern Pakistani diplomacy, to Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, who today personifies a youthful, progressive and confident Pakistan on the world stage, Sindh has gifted our nation many torchbearers of diplomacy. We are also immensely proud of our current Foreign Secretary Ms. Amina Baloch, who also hails from Sindh, a shining testament to how far our daughters have come and how bright the future of Pakistan's diplomacy is. I would also like to mention one of the newest entrants in the Foreign Affairs, a visually impaired young boy from the province of Sindh, who I met yesterday, Eril Hussain, who would soon be joining the Foreign Office, and this is in line with our current visually impaired lady in the United Nations. I believe her name is Saima, if I remember correctly. So I wish Eril Hussain a truly exceptional career in the foreign services. Ladies and gentlemen, as I walked through the stalls this evening, I was deeply moved. While food speaks a universal language, here it tells a uniquely Pakistani story. From the tantalizing aroma of Sindhi biryani to the sweetness of our mangoes, from the craftsmanship woven into our textiles to the artistic flair of our youth, everything here radiates pride, passion and purpose. Our rice, fruits, spices and fabrics are not merely exports. They are expressions of our identity, hardworking, creative and deeply rooted in our soil. They remind the world that Pakistan's spirit is as generous as its people and as enduring as its heritage. Today, Karachi stands as Pakistan's diplomatic capital by the sea, home to the largest concentration of consulates and international partners outside Islamabad. The city's heartbeat is cosmopolitan. Its people, institutions and vibrant energy embody the resilience and warmth that make diplomacy here feel like family. Events such as the Diplomatic Bazaar remind us that diplomacy is not confined to conference rooms. It lives in human connection, cultural exchange, and the simple act of breaking bread together. I sincerely hope that this bazaar becomes an annual tradition, a celebration of our shared cultures, a strengthening of our friendship between Pakistan and the world. I am particularly pleased to see many young people and women among the organizers, chefs and participants tonight. They represent the Pakistan of tomorrow, an inclusive, confident and compassionate nation. To the youth of Sindh, I say this is your moment. Many of you, I hope, will join the premier foreign service, carrying forward our province's rich diplomatic legacy and serving our country with honor and pride. In conclusion, I once again extend my heartfelt appreciation to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, to Ambassador Khalid Jamali for travelling from Islamabad to represent MOFA headquarters, and especially to Mr. Irfan Sumro and his dedicated team at the Foreign Affairs Liaison Office Karachi for organizing this magnificent gathering. What we have experienced here tonight was not merely a bazaar. It was a celebration of global friendship, cultural understanding, and Pakistan's timeless spirit of hospitality. We will continue to build on this momentum together for Sindh, for Pakistan, and for peace in our shared good. Thank you all. Pakistan Zindabad.